Unscrew the 4 fixing screws of the controller. Open the controller front cover. Plug the power cable into the gland. The power cable has 2 ends. The live wire is connected to the terminal corresponding to L. The neutral wire is connected to the terminal corresponding to N. Plug the electrode cable into the gland. The matching electrodes will be marked on each wire before leaving the factory. According to the markings on the wire label, connect to the corresponding terminal of the controller. This inductive conductivity electrode has 6 wire ends, which are connected to different terminals. Wiring is complete. Tighten the waterproof gland. Close the front cover and tighten the 4 screws. Connect the power supply. Turn on the switch. Before formal use, the controller has some basic settings. Set the range according to the range of the line mark. The default is 2000 millisiemens per centimeter. The temperature coefficient is set according to the actual measured water quality. The default coefficient is the temperature compensation coefficient of 2% potassium chloride solution. The temperature sensor type can be set in the temperature set. The electrode defaults to PT1000 automatic compensation, and the user can also manually compensate. If high temperature accuracy is required, temperature calibration can be performed. In the System Set, Date or Time Set menu, you can set the date and time. For more detailed menu descriptions, please refer to the menu structure diagram in the manual.